much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video is our monthly Disney collab hosted by Jamie Brumfield. In August, I did Finding Dory. You guys really requested Beauty and the Beast, and I was kind of stuck, not gonna lie, of what to do character-wise. I don't know, maybe it's because they're a little bit more intricate and detailed. It'd probably be like a 3-hour video, but I came up with another idea, and I hope that it turns out okay. Hopefully the hand can execute, because I haven't tried writing on my face before, and how I'm envisioning it, the wording is going to go across my face, kind of like the cloud trend that happened. I don't know if it was recent or months, years. So that's kind of what I'm thinking of, and then doing like a classic blue and yellow look on my eyes to tie in with the Beauty and the Beast color. So hopefully it turns out okay. I definitely was kind of stuck on what to do for Beauty and the Beast. One of my sorority sisters actually messaged me. She said, you should do Gaston. And I just responded with, how about Maurice? Like, how funny would that be? But I just don't have like all the stuff to cosplay a Maurice, unfortunately, in this video, but I definitely got a good chuckle out of that. I will leave my collabs playlist to watch previous collabs, and if you're visiting from any of the channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. Foundation's on, brows are filled in, and I have 3 different palettes set aside for blue and yellow. I don't know, these are like my go-to palettes now. This one in particular is quite new to the gang. This is the Nomad Orient Express. I did a dedicated review on this palette and I really have been enjoying it. Nomad has really good formula. And at first I thought there was like a lot of neutrals and beige colors, but it has been pairing nice with other palettes and also just using it by itself. And then good old Glam Like Cake. And I just ordered their new ice cream palette, so I'm so excited for that. I really like the yellow and blues in this palette. And then no surprise here at all, but my Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 1 palette also made the cut. I felt like this blue shimmer just screams Beauty and the Beast, and then like this is a really nice yellow matte, so I just figured let me just have some options. Maybe I can just dip into all the palettes just to give some dimension to the look. And then by eye contour, I picked out the Precision Liquid Liner. This is what the tip looks like. So I hope that this will be able to work well with writing what I want to write on my face. We'll see. With my look, it's gonna probably turn out backwards, so I'm gonna be like looking in my monitor, making sure I'm going the right way. But then again, I don't know if the letters are gonna go the right way. Hopefully, I don't know. I didn't fully think that through until now. I think I'm gonna start out with Bon Voyage from the Nomad Orient Express. For now, I'm just going to place this all over the crease. Get things started. I think I'm gonna do just blue in the crease area and then focus on yellow on the lid. I also thought about drawing the rose on my eye or my cheek. I don't know why I struggled so hard. I thought Lumiere or Clogsworth would have been fun, or Mrs. Potts. I like drawing on my eye as opposed to my cheek. I did do my Carolina Girls collab look, drawing on my cheek, and I would think like with like a big open space, I would like that. I just like how the characters turn out on your eyes. With them, I just felt like it was just gonna be so difficult. It was definitely tempting to try one of those characters. Actually both, because I really want to do Lumiere and Clogsworth, or Mrs. Pot and Chip. Also, since this is a monthly collab, definitely let me know your ideas in the comments below for the next month. I am so excited for October. I definitely want to try out some Halloween looks. I definitely wrote down some ideas to do like maybe a 13 nights of Halloween. I need to get started on that if I'm gonna do that, because that's going to be a lot. I feel like I'm gonna go through this palette super quick because of all of the kick up that it generates. I mean, it blends out really nice. I love the pigment, but it's just so much. I just feel so wasteful because I like to build up to my liking. I'm next going to take the shade Sky, and I'm gonna use Sky to fluff out the edges. And I was thinking, do I go dark to light, light to dark? So I started out with the darker shade and working out lighter for this look. Sky is probably one of my favorite shades in this palette. It calls me every single time. Ooh, it calls me. Moana would be fun too. Hey, hey? Mm-hmm. From Glamlight, I'm gonna take Banana. And then I think I'm going to dip into Recharge for the remaining portion of the lid. Focusing on like that outer V. And then just going back in with the brush that we took Banana on, just to make sure that these two are nice and blended together. I'm going to add some eyeliner on my lid in Waterline. I blinked and I got eyeliner up in the crease. Damn it. And then I'm going to go back into Bon Voyage to smoke out the lower lash. The cute little mustache that was imprinted on the shade when I got this palette is like gone now, which makes me really sad because it was adorable. But that means this palette is getting some love, right? And then I'm going to take Istanbul for the inner corners. For lashes, I'm going to take my Lashy Box lashes in the style Lunar. I just feel like these lashes just scream Belle for some reason. Also, I can't tell if I'm feeling my eye look or not, or I'm just slightly triggered because it's my high school colors. Actually, the 10-year reunion's probably canceled due to COVID. I really like these lashes. I feel like they're not as dramatic as I anticipated them to be for this look, but they also are very elegant, kind of like how Belle is, so I do like that. Let's sabotage this look by trying to write on her face. I actually kind of want to like outline. Is that silly? Dumb? Just to make sure I am going in the right direction. Waist, it kind of reminds me of Beast's attire, so I'm going to bold it up a little bit with this shade. to top off this look, I'm going to take the ColourPop Bullet Lipstick in the shade On Display. And this is the final look. Overall, I really liked how it came out. It is hard as shit to write on your face, especially when you want it to go in the right direction and you're doing it backwards. I never realized how hard it actually was to write backwards. I know I was struggling, especially with this S right here. That's why it gets a little wonky at the end. Now that I'm looking at it, it's like a Z. Just don't make it as harsh, just curve it a little bit. That would have been a nice trick to know going into it. I know it hasn't been one of those character inspired looks that I've been doing recently, but hopefully this is giving off some Beauty and the Beast vibes. I would love to know which Disney movie you would like to see an inspired look next. There are just so many Disney movies out there. I actually did like a Disney princess binge over the weekend trying to get some inspiration, but then again, that doesn't even include Pixar, Star Wars, Marvel. There's just so much under the umbrella, so many characters to choose from as well. But then again, I think with Halloween being next month, I might have to default it to Nightmare Before Christmas. I love that movie. Don't forget to check out everyone else's looks. There'll be a playlist linked in the description below. I know I'm really excited to see what characters, movies that they chose for their look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.